Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open the trunk on a Kia Sportage. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is a Kia Sportage, and I was having trouble figuring out how to open the trunk, so I figured that I would do a tutorial showing you and telling you exactly how to do it. So I was looking through the vehicle trying to find something that would allow me to open the trunk, and I couldn't find it. And then I realized basically if you can't find the lever, okay, and if your key fob does not have a trunk release option on it, okay, then the way to open the trunk on a Kia Sportage is you take the key just like this, okay, and you walk to the back of the vehicle, okay, and with the key in your hand at the back of the vehicle, what we're going to do, the rear knows that the key is here, so knows that we sort of have like permission to open the trunk because we have the key, okay, we're in operation of the vehicle. We're going to reach under here and there's a little button about here, okay, we're going to press that button and lift the trunk up. So I'm pressing the button and simultaneously lifting the trunk up. Now, as you can see, we've opened the trunk. Very, very simple. I'm going to close it, and I'll show you one more time. There's a button over there. Press the button, and lift up at the same time. Okay? And then the trunk can obviously stay up by itself, but that is how to open the trunk on a Kia Sportage. Just give me a moment to close this. Okay. Now, I did do a little bit of reading, and I think from my best understanding, to the best of my understanding, some trim levels and some Kia Sportages will have a trunk release button on the key fob, from what I understand, depending on whatever options you got. But that is, like I said, that is just to the best of my understanding. But yeah, if you can't find a trunk release lever in your vehicle and you can't find one on your key fob, then the way to open your trunk on a Kia Sportage is to take the key fob, walk to the back where the trunk is, press that button that I showed you there, and simultaneously lift the trunk up, and you will have opened up the trunk on your Kia Sportage. And it is literally that simple. It is that easy to do. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.